Hey, this is how you can access your Pearson courses. You log into PowerSchool. On the right side, you click on the box with the arrow going out of it, Applications, and then you click on Pearson Courses. In here, you got to click on Future Classes, and you can see that I've already added content for my class. And this is an example of middle school math, or our 7th grade math curriculum. I did that by clicking on adding products and then finding the correct curriculum. Now, if I want to get into that product, all I do is click here, or I know this is a SuccessNet program, so I could click on Pearson SuccessNet. If it was Pearson Realize, I could click on Pearson Realize. So I will click here, and then it will launch me over to my Pearson SuccessNet platform, and I can see my middle grades math curriculum and get to my resources. Let me know if you have any questions.